Hi, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we're really proud to present this absolutely extraordinary beautiful Jaguar X300. It's a 3.2 XJ Sport 1996 on a P registration. It is automatic and it's finished in unblemished and unmarked carnival red metallic with contrasting cream leather interior. This Jaguar boasts only 31,000 genuine miles with full comprehensive service history. As you can see from the video, we're zooming in close up now and you can see there is no damage to this car at the front end or anywhere else on the car for that matter. There's no stone chips, there's no scuffs, no scratches, no scrapes, no dints, there's no damage to bumpers. It's got front and rear brand new number plates. It's complemented with a chrome Jaguar leaping bonnet mascot. It's got its original coach lines, and as you can see from the video also, the underside of the car, or the sill edge there, is absolutely impeccable. We have had the wheels refurbished. At great expense, we had those diamond turned, and it's got 4 brand new tyres. Just like the front, it's the same story at the rear. No cracked light lenses, badges perfect on the boot lid, no water ingress. The finish of the paint is absolutely impeccable. No damaged chrome on bumpers, no dints on the chrome. And as you can see, walking around the car and zooming in, the paint finish is, well, second to none. We absolutely love this car. It is just so beautiful in this colour. The carnival red does really suit these cars. We're looking inside the boot now. All the boot carpet is absolutely perfect. It's had a new Bosch battery fitted just recently. All the seals on the boot are really soft and supple, and again all the edges and the seams of the boot lid are absolutely perfect. No corrosion on this car whatsoever. Please don't confuse it with many other examples for sale in the marketplace today, because this car is just a one-off example. It's a really bright day today in Malton, and although it shows the paint finish off, there is a few shadows and a few sort of blinding sun rays bouncing off the paint and the panels. Please excuse that, but again, we're just trying to do our very best going around every panel for you, nice and steady, so you can see how mint this car is. We've comprehensively serviced this car and it will have 12 months MOT before it goes out. Just looking inside now, the leather the leather throughout is just like brand spanking new. We're really enthusiastic about this car. We just recently fitted a brand new headline into it. A high quality premium board was fitted, and again all the leather was cleaned, detailed and reconalized. All inside the door jambs, as you can see, backs of the leather seats, all the door seals, just like brand spanking new. Looking at the dashboard now, all the wood veneer is undamaged. It's absolutely perfect. And as you can see from the headlining, perfect colour match. Everything works in the car as it should do. All the electric windows, electric mirrors, remote central locking. It's got 2 remote central locking key fobs. It's got 2 keys. It's got all the handbook pack, and of course obviously all the service history as we mentioned before. It's been extremely well cared for and looked after and fastidiously maintained. As you've probably noticed from the dashboard, the car doesn't have its original radio cassette system in there, but it does have fitted now a Sony CD player. It's got Bluetooth as well, so you can Bluetooth your music, and you've also got hands-free telephone. Just going to show you a little bit further around now. As you can see on the door there, the veneers are absolutely beautiful. All the door skins original, perfect. All in the door jambs, absolutely beautiful. We have polished them, but as you can see, they're just unmarked. All the door cards and all the hand stitching on the door handles, absolutely perfect. We have fitted some brand new tailored floor mats to it in black. And as you can see there from the driver's seat, all the bolster and everything is absolutely unmarked. No cracks, no scuffs, no colour missing. The wood steering wheel veneer is absolutely perfect, no cracks or scratches on there either. Just a really, really nice place to be. We'll just turn the ignition on now. There is no warning lights on this car. It runs absolutely perfect, no issues at all. The engine just sweet as a nut, but it's 31,000 miles, isn't it? Full service history. There you go, full toolkit there, never been used. All the fuses there still in the cellophane from the factory. We are really careful when we buy our cars. We've got a lot of experience. We've been buying and selling these Jaguars that you see on our website and on our videos for a long time now. Our cars aren't the cheapest in the marketplace, but we know that they're some of the very best you're going to find. This car is available to purchase, and it's also available to view in our showroom. The price of the car is £11,995. Please call us today and we can make an appointment for you to view.